there's debris. This is bad.
Part 3. You didn't miss anything. I was afraid you would. There's fire in my mouth. They want to shoot off?
Oh, and hot stuff. Remember to wear sunglasses.
My mouth's on fire.
I have.
Literal. Come on, catch.
Why is everybody stealing my things?
Catch.
Because I have really cool things?
They're trying to light their little wick.
What?
Maybe there's one coming from the big base too. I don't know.
Oh, the towel's not mine.
Come on.
Glasses and bracelets.
Should have another big string of them. Those are cool.
No, they're getting the grand finale ready and they're lighting them all at the same time.
That'd be pretty cool.
No, look, they are.
Oh, you really think they are?
No.
All right then. Stop lying.
I'm not lying, I just don't know what's going on.
Me neither. I am also
Why are
afraid
we
we're going to run out of
talking about
memory here.
Why are we talking about it if we don't know what's going on?
I don't know. It actually would be really cool if I did manage to catch all this on film.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool. Hi, Dad.
Oh, whatever, sorry. But the breeze would be cool too.
That way you can catch debris. Debris air freshener.
Oh my gosh. Friggin' hurry up.
Throw that up in the air, people will think it's fireworks.
Yay! Woo! Big boom! Ah! Ah!
These things are good! Cooking fire!
Bam! Oh yeah. Big. Ah, yeah. Here comes another one. You can actually see that. That's pretty big. Brought one there. Oh my god. That was freaking bright.
Let's recalibrate. The next one's
Okay, next one.
Oh, that's a flashlight. Never
You were
mind.
all wrong at the same time. And just second me, we were
Zachary, how are you?
I'm
Do you
good.
have a YouTube channel? Because you like make freaking awesome video effects.
Next
You
one's
got the wrong
What is it?
vowel stuck in
What?
your head,
What? What?
Missy.
What?
What?
Say what?
Never mind.
What?
I'll ask you later. Okay, do you have a YouTube channel?
Just say
What?
all of them.
Never mind.
How about that?
Yes, I
That will
do.
mix it up.
What is it?
Not really.
Say it.
Let's say ooh ee.
Is this going to be posted on Facebook?
It's gonna be on YouTube.
Great.
Or ooh eh.
Gonna go on
It's gotta
YouTube.
be a short
YouTube.
YouTube.
That's better than Facebook because then strangers can see your videos and not just your friends because most of the time your friends stink. But not mine. My friends are great. I love my friends.
Stop correcting me. I am being funny. Why do you hate me?
Do you still want to know my...
Yes, what's your channel? Hurry.
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might want to check it out for myself, as well as many other people who are interested in
Yeah,
special effects.
then I'll be world famous.
Yay! Do you want that?
Ginger.
Yes. Okay, here it is. It's Film Maker Menona.
Filmmaker Minota.
Menona.
I will link to that. Took you long enough to say it.
I make movies.
I know that.
Let's go through all the vowels.
4 minutes.
Now we're out
so
of
far.
fireworks. Great.
That would suck.
That sucks.
That would suck. No grand finale. That's it, people. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so we did.
It's been a great video. No. Oh wait, are we? Because that light just turned on. Oh, somebody's in there. I saw 2 rockets.
Guys, next is I.
Look at the Irish.
I don't know. I'm having a hard time understanding this
I be Irish.
craziness. Guys, turn that light off. It's making it harder to see these.
There's black haired Irish. You got really dark black hair Irish. You got red haired
I
Irish.
saw
and if you
something
mix
about
them
the light.
together, you get brown haired Irish.
Smoke moving. You can't.
French
All right,
fries.
now everything's just black except for the actual
You want to
bar.
marry a...
No, don't say it. Nobody needs to know it because I'm not a
Yay!
good bus.
Here comes one.
Okay.
Okay, it's I. Ah! Oh!
You do owe me. That's right. What do you owe me? Yeah!
Why is this happening?
.com. Right. Yes. Wow! Massive hit.
That's why. Okay, now we've broken up. We should do consonants now.
I don't think I need to hold it up that high. Whoa, flashy, flashy.
We'll do double.